whole video, it's going to be voiceovered because there was music playing in the background of the restaurant, and I don't think I will be able to use it. So yeah, right. So let's head inside. Alright, so this is the inside of the restaurant. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's kind of like the Budo vibe to it. But yeah, this is me holding the menu. I'm gonna get this lunch, but with an extra topping on it, and you can have different kinds of ramens here if you would like to as well. But yeah, I'm kind of enjoying the inside. This side of the wall has like an interesting kind of painting. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, it was handwritten. And here is my colleague's ramen. It's like a tomato based ramen, and this is the one I got with some extra chashu toppings on it. But yeah, I'm about to enjoy my meal. I'm really excited here of ramen because I haven't had it in quite a while. But yeah, I'm enjoying my ramen. So it's been quite a while since I had it, so I'm just enjoying the taste of the soup. I'm gonna probably take a couple sips of soup before I eat the ramen, which is what I usually do. I usually take a couple sips of the ramen before I actually eat the noodles. But yeah, so the ramen I'm eating today is a Hakata style. I probably wrote it in the beginning of the video, but yeah, it's like a tonkotsu based ramen. And tonkotsu is well, in Japanese, tonkotsu, that's what it is, and in English that's like pig bone, I believe, if you were to like translate it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So the soup stock is the pork bones, and it's been made with a lot of vegetables and all sorts of spices that are usually used in Japanese food. So yeah, and the soup is very thick. It's not what you would maybe expect, but yeah. So here's a closer look at the ramen that I'm eating. So the chashu is the bottom, and there's a lot of toppings on it. Called like that brown stuff is called kikurage, I believe. It's like a type of mushroom. It's very crunchy and has a very hard taste. And the ramen noodles I'm eating right now are pretty hard. And here's the soup, and here's the chashu that I was talking about earlier. It's really good. But yeah, overall I enjoyed the meal. I didn't drink all of the soup, but yeah, it was enjoyable. And here's the cash register. You have to pay your fee here by yourself. There's no one standing there, so yeah. The machine, it's quite simple to use. You put your cash in, or you can pay via credit card or through a different kind of method. And I paid through cash. At the bottom right, you can see there's a lot of different types of methods that you can pay. I'm not sure if it's quite popular in the States, but you can pay through PayPal or through some kind of online payment method. But yeah, overall I enjoyed the meal. I'll be back here sometime with my colleagues, and you can just see my face there. I'm kind of happy, and yeah, overall it was great, and maybe you can try it sometime too. It's really close to Kyoto station. It's only like 10 minutes, and from my workplace it's only a couple minutes. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and see you guys later.